Kenya is a country in East Africa with a coastline on the Indian Ocean. The capital, Nairobi, is a regional commercial hub, and the economy of Kenya is the largest by GDP in East and Central Africa. Kenya has a warm and humid tropical climate on its Indian Ocean coastline. Welcome to the Fun Village, where wholesome fun is cut out just 40 kilometers from the capital city of Nairobi, encompassing different segments where both learning and entertainment will be experienced, not forgetting ample parking for everyone is set in place. Starting with the Heritage Park, this is where, as the name suggests, people will learn more about the endeared heritage of our beloved country. Featuring all tribal groupings, a food court will blend the traditional and modern foods. A 1,000-seater amphitheater with a unique water screen is set out for entertainment, and a natural science museum for further learning. A 70 meters long wall of fame would display our Mashujaa heroes, sport personalities, and musical legends. The amusement park, all set to bring enjoyment, has 29 different rides, 2 thriller roller coasters, a 60 meters panoramic tower, and a tour of the park on a raised train. From up to down, side to side, extreme fun for the whole family will be jeered and cheered to express satisfaction in the park. Wholesome fun just began. Water tends to relax the overstrained. That is why sitting on a 10.4 acres piece of land is the water park. There are 4 main swimming pools, namely kids pool, relaxation pool, a unique wave pool, and a lazy river to calm you as you rejuvenate. A gasping ride down the slopes of a miniature Mount Kenya will be ideal for children, landing them onto a 20 meters coastal stretch. Kenya being a wild animals haven, the big 5 are placed strategically within the water park. At the entrance of the water park will be 2 large elephant-like tusks leading to a hotel with an African culture touch. The hotel has 65 rooms that will cater for all classes of people. For companies and organizations, a conference hall is all set for you at the rooftop. A botanical garden is in place to give families a time to remember, consisting of a boogie train, quad bikes, a jogging track, and a bicycle path. To the lovebirds, ready to tie the knot, 3 distinct and separated wedding venues are set and available. Crowning the botanical garden is an epic 14-meter diameter fountain at the center. For those who love fun and challenges, an adventure park is in place in a different setup. Activities that include paintball, archery, rock climbing, hanging bridges are organized by an experienced team. This is a place to be for maximum team and bush experience for all. In addition, companies will find it a perfect setting for their team building activities with tented camps and bonfire for bonding and breakouts. In a nutshell, this is a project that is second to none in Africa, one that will pin Kenya to the global map as a preferred leisure destination. Over 1,500 direct and 7,500 indirect jobs will be created. This is Fun Village.